Buti muna.
Ikaw muna.
I anticipated that question. How was the experience meeting for Raymond? Actually, I didn't really think about it. Nung una, siyempre gulat for Sandwich to ask me to help out. Sino pa naman ako para tumanggi? I mean, that's great. I mean, that's Raymond. So ako naman ay I'll just try to do my best. Not really expecting anything out of the game. Pero sobrang saya talaga. Sobrang saya. Yun naman sa akin. Yun lang.
So, bakit si Token po yung napili
Yun
na...
lang.
Bakit siya po yung napili nyo na...
Hindi ko rin alam.
Someone else. That's why we chose him. Tsaka, bakit he was free?
Also, tsaka kilala namin, tropa namin, so perfect din. Ayun.
We like keeping it in the family.
Oh, thank you.
Mismo.
May dream collab po ba kayo sa mga bagong artist ngayon? Tsaka ano po yung advice nyo sa mga bagong artist?
Dream collab.
The new artists. Siguro Spades.
Sa mga new artists?
More of Spades. I mean, yun na nga, parang in team with keeping it in the family. Matagal na namin kaibigan yung Spades. Para maganda yung kakalabasan ng kung sakali.
Dream collab, I just did it. So, enough said.
Good answer.
Paano kayo nag-workout sa setlist tonight? Ano yung mga...
That's a good question.
When I was approached, they asked me, actually 5 songs na lang yung alam ko, then there's one set, so I just gave them songs na I was really familiar sa Sandwich. And it's no secret, I've been covering their songs sa mga unang banda ko, like Tutti Puni and Butterflies. So it was like a breeze para sa akin. And then nag-navigate na lang kami towards the set list. Hanggang nakabuo kami ng isang buong set and it worked out perfectly. So okay naman. So pasalamat din ako sa adjustments ng Sandwich para lang mag-cater yung needs ko para matawid yung set. So yeah, thank you so Sandwich.
Grabe naman sumagot. Good answer, good answer.
Ano pong i-advise nyo sa mga baguhan na singer or banda?
Singer.
Na banda po?
I don't know. Personally, gusto ko lang sabihin, if you're in a band, just do it, man. Tuloy-tuloy lang. I mean, Sandwich, Excited, lahat ng band na kilala nyo na tumagal talaga. Isa lang ang formula dyan. If you want to do it, just do it. Yun lang ang sagot dyan. Kung ayaw nyo na, then malas nyo. Pero kung gusto nyo pa rin, feel nyo, gawin nyo lang gawin. Kasi ang ending naman ito, kung anong mahal mo na ginagawa mo. So gawin mo lang.
May mga bago po ba kayong sinusulat na kanta?
Yeah. Kakalabas,
Ah,
our new
bago.
single is coming out on May 1. It's called Youngstana. Tribute siya sa ating kabataan, like growing up and finding yourself. So that's gonna come out May 1, and then the album will also come out. Like we're for the first time in a while, we are releasing a full-length album.
October, may full length na kami. So,
Why do you think yung songs na Sandwich still resonate with the younger?
Because we're young at heart.
Hindi, kasi ganyan rin kami dati.
Yeah.
Youngstana.
Kami rin yan dati.
Kami rin yan dati.
Yung mga bata ngayon, kami rin yan dati.
What can you say about the OPM now?
It's great.
sobrang pamatay.
Like Raymond will always say, we are in the golden age. At hindi yan na-realize, 20 years din ang sinasabi.
Oo nga eh.
So yung era na yun, nasa second golden age na tayo.
Or even third.
Oh,
Tsaka
third.
ano, all sorts of genres. Not just the from the hip-hop scene to the dance scene to
And
pop
original
scene,
music.
Original lahat yun.
Ito na, lalabas
Rock.
na yung mga may ingay dyan.
May ingay malapit
Lalabas
na.
malapit
Si Spades, lumabas na. So susunod na naman yung bagong wave ng mga ingay. Ito na yun. So, yeah, very vibrant and exciting. Exciting.
Ano pinaka-na-miss nyo dun sa music scene dati?
Wala kami namimiss sa dati.
Kasi nasa scene
Kasi
pa rin
nasa
kami.
scene pa kami. So,
Ay, may namimiss tayo. Yung motorcade, namimiss na namin yun.
ay, wala. Hindi alam ni Mami. Hindi alam ni Mami. Baka confused siya.
Ano ba explain? Yung music scene kasi, tuloy-tuloy lang naman yan. So every now and then, nabibigyan tayo ng sobrang magagandang mga kanta. At doon napapansin ng tao na yun yung eksena. So, which means, sobrang daming magagandang lumalabas na kanta na Pilipino dahil alam niyo may music scene.
And also, we all know na Beanie has been there for OPM din sila. Anong reaction nyo to that na yung OPM is getting worldwide na?
Sobrang akong proud, syempre. Filipino, ano na naman Filipino music arts, mahal naman namin. Very proud ako sa ginawa ng Bini. Mahirap yun gawin. Ang galing.
Congrats sa Billy at saka SB19.
Saka SB19.
Do you think it's long overdue?
Personally, yes, worldwide talent ang mga Pinoy. If you will go to other countries, lahat na tumutugtog sa mga Hard Rock Cafe is all mga Filipino bands. So talagang alam din nila na medyo forced to reckon with ang mga Pinoy eh. So I think it's about time and we're very fortunate na recognize ang Bini, SB19 and all the other artists na pwede talaga tumutugtog on that worldwide stage. So, yan, kung collaboration tinatanong nyo, yan na, Bini, tsaka ano, Bini, Sandwich.
Tuloy natin yan!
You're still serving as a politician. So.
Oh yeah, that's my other job, so I try to mix it with layo na na. But yeah, yes, so yes.
Music scene tayo, music scene.
Ano po
Collaborate.
yung policy?
Anong policy mo sa state of hormones?
Yun na.
Collaboration is everywhere. May possible ba na yung Sandwich, yung mga 2000s or 2005s na mga banda yung mag-collaborate sa isang big concert?
Oh, it's never
Sandwich.
impossible. I mean, nasa pag-uusap yan, everybody wants to do it, then let's do it, di ba? Pare, itong ginawa namin na to, nobody thought, well, my wildest dreams, hindi ko iniisip to, no? It's one thing, sabi ko, that's the first time, it's really the
Yeah,
first time.
actually.
For me, I think for Sandwich, so
Yeah,
ako
yeah.
personally, I'd like to thank the whole band, the crew, and lahat ng involved dito sa collaboration. It was really fun for me, it was really fun.
And we're happy to experience that.
Thank you.
You're fortunate to experience
Thank you
it.
so much.
Diba?
Thank you so much. Bait na ito.
Yeah.
Oo nga eh.
Mabait naman itong mga to.
We're also very privileged to have you with us.
Thank you,
Of
Mike.
course.
I hope you guys had a lot of fun.
I did.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go. Oh, I'm game. Just ask them. Just ask them.
Yeah, definitely not the last ride.
Tumawag na nga yung Bini.
Promote na lang po kung ano yung... Promote na lang, yeah.
Yung young star na, young star.
Hello, Mika.
May bias ba? May bias.
Promote yung album. Okay, hi, we're Sandwich. You can find us at all social media, our social media accounts at Sandwich the Band. That's on IG, TikTok, Facebook. Our new single will be out, Young Sana, May 1 on all streaming platforms. Watch out for our album. It's called Surface Tension. It's a 12-track LP. Expect the songs to slowly trickle down the pipeline. Waiting yung mga songs namin. And the whole thing will come out October.
And don't forget our collab with Bini. Pwede ka naman siguro i-will into existence, di ba? Manifest. Manifest ko. Okay. Fest of money. Pwede na ba mag-manifest ng money? Ayun.
Mas gusto ko yan, mas gusto ko yan.
And of course, TV5 for making this
Of
happen.
course. Thank you, TV5 for making this happen. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Hello, Manoy! Kasama daw kayo ni Zil!
Oh my God!
Tropa namin yung...
Thank you po.